Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to turn off or customize the Discover feed on Snapchat. While Snapchat doesn't allow you to full disable Discover, but I'll show you how to hide unwanted content and customize your feed for a better experience. So let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. At the bottom of the screen, tap the Stories icon to access the Discover section. Long press on any video in the Discover section. From the options that appear, tap Hide this content. The video will be removed from your Discover feed. Then, long press on the video from the profile you want to hide. Tap on the profile name to open the profile. Then in the top right corner, tap the three dots icon. Then confirm tapping yes. Now, content that profile will no longer appear on your Discover feed. By hiding unwanted content, you can now make your Snapchat Discover feed more relevant and enjoyable. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Snapchat Discover feed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more details. Thanks for watching.